1961 Speedway Classic Arbutus Series by builder, Fredrick Falender. As described in 1961, 2-story, all brick with maintenance-free exterior. Upstairs, 2 bedrooms and full bath. Ground floor, 2 bedrooms, full bath, both sleeping areas traffic-free. Vanities in both baths. Lavish play and hobby area in full poured concrete basement. Big separate living room, dining family room. L-shaped kitchen with many convenience features including built-in oven and range, with hood fan, and garbage disposal. Dormer windows add charm to the roof line. 1.5 car attached garage. Recent improvements, roof shingles, windows, furnace and AC all within last 15 years. Seller looking for a new owner who will appreciate all this home and neighborhood has to offer.